Alright guys, so here we are. The car looks great, but before we leave, I gotta do this quick little update. Not everything we do is some huge customization. Doesn't have to be something big. It's just a defroster vent that needs to be replaced. Let me show you what's going on, alright? And then you'll understand. Alright, so here we go guys. You see this right here? It is cracked. See how it moves up and down? So we are gonna take this one out gently. There, it's out. That's how quick that was. And we're going to replace it with a brand new one. Here we go. All right, so I ordered the original part. So it's a Ford actual part here. So let's get this thing opened up and see if we can get it installed. And it's a very tiny little thing, but as you know, if you're going to do it, just do it right. All right, so let's do a quick comparison, guys. Here's the original part. It's all kind of cracked and broken. And here's the brand new one. Let's put it in. Almost there. All right, so I wasn't able to actually show the physical installation because it required me to use a screwdriver and I couldn't do the camera and it together, but here it is. Totally in now, nice and flush. I just had to make sure it was in there good. I had to basically pry this here, just very gently nudge it in to where it's in there, fit nicely. The original one apparently cracked because of that, so there we go. We've got one more vent like this for the right side that I need to find in this color. So if you know where I could find that, please let me know. I just need the interior vent part here for the other side that's cracked. And then basically that's all the vents will be brand new. I'll say it 100 times, guys, not everything on the channel is going to be some big deal. Because if that was the case, we'd run out of stuff really fast. There'd be nothing to do. I think the whole purpose of following a channel like this is to do all these little details, right? It's like finding all these little details. I've never had to replace any of this stuff, learning as I go. But listen, every little repair is one step closer to this car being closer to how it was when it came out of the factory, and then improved and then some. So now let's go to the car show. We've got an exciting new defrost vent installed, and let's go celebrate and let's go enjoy some car show and let's go get some beautiful footage. And I hope you guys enjoy it. I'll see you in a bit. Look at this lady right here.
Hi guys, welcome to Angela's Car Show.
This is Angela, guys.
Hi guys.
All right, this is a nice little rat rod. Just want to show you guys just some of the unique colors, unique body styles. They're really, really nice. Look at this one here. Very gangster vibe. 1926 Roadster. Look at the exhaust coming out the side here, or on the front. All right, here we have a 1934 Dodge. Really unique paint job. Let's take a look at this. I love the details on this. Look at this. Look at this, guys. Look at this beautiful engine. But what's really attractive, guys, is look at this paint. Look at this paint. Absolutely beautiful. To these fat boy tires. All right, guys, here's an El Camino SS. Really nice looking car. 454 SS. So beautiful. The front. Probably one of the nicest cars here today. This Corvette. Look at the wheels on this beauty of a vet. Look at this. It's got the Willwood brakes. It's gorgeous interior. It's got a digital interior. That's really nice right there. Updated to digital. Let's work our way to the front, guys. Everybody knows the front of these cars is what makes them special. Beautiful. Alright guys, here's a 67 Dodge Dart. Got a really cool license tag. Some nice headlights there. The GT. Got a beautiful paint job, guys. Let's look at the interior. Look at the wheels. It's a dark GT. This your baby? Yep. It's gorgeous.
Only about 3,400 of them made in 1967 for the convertible dark.
Wow.
And that's including the ones that went up to Canada. There was a 273 car originally, now she's a 340 motor. Wow. But she's still dressed up as a 273.
That's awesome. So how long have you had her?
That is, what, about a year and a half, 2 years?
Yeah, I'm going on 2 years.
2 years. It's beautiful, man. Real quick, kind of a cool sort of little emotional moment. I met a gentleman that sells car flags. Told him the story about Dad and the 99, how we're hoping to build it while Dad's still around and everything. He was kind enough to donate a flag that we can hang where the car is at in the garage. And this gentleman was nice enough. He has a Dodge Dart. He let the girls take pictures in the car. But most importantly, he dedicated this flag to Dad and to the build out of Projekt 99, who's just at the very beginning. Beautiful Shelby.
If it wasn't for you guys, we would not have this show for Car Show Larry. So I want to thank everyone that supported Larry. Larry, I don't know if everybody knows, but he had COVID. Then he wound up having pneumonia, and he was in a coma for 2 weeks. He almost passed away. So I'm so grateful that he's doing well. He's been keeping in touch with me all the time. So he told me just on the phone just now that he wants to thank everyone that came out today.
All right, guys, we're walking up to this award-winning car. This is one of his first awards, my man right there. Tell us your name. Tell us a little about your car real quick. What's special about it?
Sal. It's a 1995 240SX. We got an LS2 from a 2005 GTO. It's got the T56 transmission, 6-speed.
Wow.
Yeah.
So it's got a lot of punch, but it just looks calm and sleepy right now.
Yeah.
Everybody underestimated this car, but it just got an award for what's under the hood, yo. Well, dude, we will keep an eye out for this car, guys. This is like sort of both of our first show out. We met earlier, and now look, we both took home a little something, something. Little awards don't hurt. And keep your eye out on this one, guys. We'll see it again on the channel, I'm sure. All right, guys, we are at the Quaker State and Lube in Clearwater, and I'm with my beautiful nieces, because you know, when you go with the girls, you gotta rock pink. So Uncle Neil today is trying their strawberry shake. As you know, on my channel, I always try to bring you something special from where we are. So we are at a steak and shake place. So gonna try this real quick.
Eyeball.
Holy this tastes like real strawberry. This is amazing. All right, guys, so we decided to get some appetizers. These are the mozzarella sticks, and we also have just some nice fries because Nikki Boom wanted fries, and so did Rosie. So guys, let's see how they taste. Let's take it. These are my nieces, my beautiful nieces. All right, Rosie Bud. Yeah, girl. We gotta come in to see that. Okay, Nikki Boom.
I'll do it. Yeah.
Ooh, look at that cheese. It's dragging out, girl. How's it taste? Be honest.
It tastes good.
As you can see how hard it is to work with two girls. All right, guys, I am going to now do the official taste testing. Let's start with the fry because this one is aimed at me. They're good. These are really good. Very potatoey. No, but really, like, some fries, they taste like really oily, really greasy. These are, they're kind of dry. They're really good. So, A+ on the fry. The shake was off the chain. And now we're going to show you the,
Oh God, the
mozzarella sticks. Come on. All right, guys, let's try a mozzarella stick. Let's dip it in some sauce here. The cheese is really good. Not very salty. Very hot. I recommend it very hot, guys. When you come here, they're very hot. They're really yummy. I think the girls approve.
Yes, we approve. Approve.
All right. We're going to eat now, you guys. I just wanted to share a little bit of what we ate. So if you guys are ever here, you know it's a grab. Yeah. All right, that wraps it up for a Clearwater video. Me and my two nieces are putting the whip away, and we will, well, now it's an award-winning car. We should say it that way. All right, guys, well, as you can see right here on the roof of the car is our very first car show award. We went to Larry's car show. He's a gentleman that got COVID. It was very ill, and they used the car show to sort of raise awareness for him. We were shocked that, you know, I've never entered this car in any kind of a car show. Took my nieces just to have fun with them, but we ended up getting just a nice little award for the car, right, for being really clean, and I'm excited because it's the beginning of a long, fun journey with the car. Thanks to the 12 new subscribers that we got, my nieces went to work, and they asked their friends to support the channel, and they did, so thank you to all of you guys. Hope you enjoy the channel, and we will see you guys next time on Project 99, baby.